National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lamb County, northwest Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar size hail. This storm was located near Fieldton, or 11 miles northeast of Littlefield, and moving north at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will impact Fieldton. Large hail, damaging winds, and very heavy rains are expected with this storm. Take cover in a substantial shelter. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-745-1290. The National Weather